Our first-year university student is in police custody here in Nairobi's Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. That's Simon Gitao Kimani. Is said to have been running advertisements now on social media purporting to be selling fairly priced KPSC tokens. The Jomo Kenyatta University student is said to be running the campaign on social media just to entice subscribers to get onto that platform, and this was due to Safaricom SIM cards, ID cards, and a mobile phone with a line used to a con game and a laptop with the scam advertisement documents. Now, upon receiving payment of the non-existent tokens, he would allegedly block the numbers, cut off further communication. He pleaded guilty to the charges of obtaining by false pretense and has been remanded pending judgment on May the 4th, 2017.